Hi mga mami! So this is a continuation of May EDD natin 2027 and how to plan out or paano nyo ma-maximize yung SSS Maternity benefits nyo by planning out early. So yung part 1 natin is based on paano ma-check kung magkano yung estimate na pwede natin makuha from SSS based on contribution and kung paano natin siya may increasean or ma-maximize. So dito sa part 2 natin is yung step number 4, which is chine-check lang dito kung may mga miss month tayo or may mga months pa na pwedeng mahabol. Again, ang current month ngayon is July 20. Let's say for example, wala pa tayong contribution ng July until December. So yan, calculate. So ito yung estimate na pwede mong makuha based dito sa contribution mo from January 2026 to June 2026. So yan, so lalabas dito sa step number 4, yan, within deadline pa siya, ibig sabihin pwede mo pa siyang mabayaran. So yung deadline nito is based on quarterly payment. Yan, so let's say lagyan na natin siya ng amount, which is 3,000. And calculate. So yan, maximize po yung contribution natin kung mababayaran natin siya based sa pinaka highest MSC ni SSS ngayon. So 3,000 po yung pinaka highest na kinakalculate ni SSS for MatBen. Yan. So sa step number 5, yan, which is yung step number 5 kung meron na kayong Mat 1, which is case-to-case basis po to ha. So you have to put dito kung ano yung nagawa nyo na or hindi pa. Let's say for example, yes, I already have filed Mat 1. Kung halimbawa naman hindi pa, ayan. So may mga what to do here or mga next action na kailangan yung gawin. Or let's say for example, former employer or HR filed it before, and then may mga follow-up question po dyan. So let's say for example, yes, and then again follow-up question. I already have a confirmation. And then once nakapag-file na kayo ng Mat 1, let's go to step number 6, which is yung DAEM o yung disbursement account. So sa disbursement account, dito sinisend ni SSS yung benefits na makukuha mo. So kailangan meron kayo nito. Kasi kung wala kayo naka-enroll, hindi kayo makakuha or hindi nyo makukuha yung benefit ni SSS kasi wala siyang pagsisendan. So kailangan meron kayong naka-enroll na DAEM. Yan. So yes, I already have approved DAEM. And then follow-up question, yes, matches everything. And then, again, case-to-case to ha, kung ano yung mga nagawa nyo na, yun yung i-select nyo. So, may mga what to do naman dyan based dun sa magiging sagot nyo. And then, step number 7, which is yung Mat 2, checklist po to ha, pinafile ang Mat 2 after nyong mga anak. So, after yung mga anak, and then ito yung mga requirements niya. So, yung LCR Certificate of Live Birth, kailangan certified true copy po to from the local civil registrar. And then yung LCR, yung ORAR nyo. So, kailangan nakapangalan ito. It's either sa father, sa mother, or sa baby. Ayan. So, I also have here PhilHealth requirements para do sa mga mommies na PhilHealth qualified for MatBen din. So, these are the requirements. Pwede nyo siyang i-screenshot. And then, kung gusto nyo ma-check din kung qualified kayo, I have separate video dyan. Or you can also click this po, PhilHealth Maternity Benefits. Ayan. So, sa mga gusto magpa-compute or magpa-estimate po, comment lang your EDD and your month contribution, also your member type. And for those moms na need ng extra fund, I have a referral link po dito. I-click nyo lang to. Then, mapupunta kayo kay UnionBank credit card. Wala tayong commitment dito mga mamis ha. Whether you're approved or not po, pwede po kayo mag-fill up.